It's Dirty Dan the Man. We're back with another video. I haven't posted anything in a minute. Well, just the thing that you guys seen, the changing the buttons on the steering wheel on my Range Rover. Well, yeah, it was my birthday Wednesday. I turned the big 33 already, and I want to give a huge shout out to SSR because they hooked it up with the Urus once again. We got the red one again that we had last year. So we're gonna be cruising in this today. I'll have it for about 2 days today. Well, I have it for a day, almost 2 days. So just got it right now. Just got to my girl's house because we're gonna go for a little ride out, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have a little ride out with the boys because, as you guys know, I have a Range Rover now, so can't really do any of those cruises like that. But yeah, we got the same Urus. I didn't want a different one, but I think the red one fits me so well. Just because the red, I really love the red interior way too much. You guys know, if you guys know, I've been watching the channel. I've been wanting a red interior for such a long time. And yeah, if you guys ever need a rental, make sure to message SSR Experience if you guys are in LA, even they're in the Orange County area, but hit them up, tell them that Driven by Dan send you or Dirty Dan send you. All right, you guys know that I got the Urus, the red one that I've gotten last year, and then I had Roland rent a car as well, so he doesn't come in his regular car, and he rented a Slingshot, which he wants me to drive right now because it is manual though. I don't really know how to drive manual like that. Look at this. I just have cup holders. And then we're still waiting for other people. Oh, damn. They're waiting for other people to come. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out, but we're all going on a cruise later on today. So yeah, we're gonna go cruise later on. Yeah, that'll be fun. And yeah, we'll go from there. Let you guys know how the day goes. I know I'm meeting up with Kevin later and everybody because we're having a Korean barbecue for my 33 birthday, which already passed, but we're just doing it now with all the homies.
What did you think? Alright, so first, you're in first gear, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so your left foot's on the clutch.
Yeah.
And what you're going to do, you're going to slowly let off the clutch until you feel the car roll forward. Once you feel it roll forward a little bit, add just a slide to the throttle. Installed it. So, pressing the clutch, make sure you go back to neutral, then start the car back up. Because you're not adding any power, that's why it's going backwards. But that's the lighting, that's what I was talking about. I have a little bit of throttle, and then once you feel the car go forward, you can lock the clutch. It's scary. I can't do it. Come on, you got it.
Huh?
You look cute in that thing, huh?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I was the second, and then I went back to first. I think I can do it.
Yeah, right? It's easy.
So
It's easy.
I rate his driving
think I can
6
do it.
out of 10.
I think I know how to drive manual now. I'm gonna reverse it because I know how to reverse. It's just the throttle is sensitive.
This one is.
Yeah, it's a little sensitive. So
Most cars are.
I didn't know like if I pulled it out too quick. I was struggling here when I was on the side. I struggled. I was like, oh man, because I went into second gear because it wouldn't go any faster. So everybody's here. This is William's car. Pretty sure you guys seen his car before, his M3. Super loud M3. Super sick. Super nice. We went to the Bay Area with him and his car was shooting flames. And it's real frozen black, super cool. Then we got Jeremy with the CL63. You guys know how much I fucking love this car. This car is like all-time favorite car. Then you guys see Roland. And then we're waiting for another E90 M3. We got the Urus. And then we got Kenny's car. Super sick. And then we got my boy DJ's with his Mustang. So yeah, we're gonna do a whole little cruise. Super excited for this. I'm super happy that all of them have came out for this. I appreciate it big time. This is sick. So we're just waiting for Eric, and then the rest of the boys are gonna meet us out over there at the Korean barbecue. It's super sick. It's gonna be a nice turnout. What do you guys think is driving the fastest car here? I gotta get a Lambo one day, a Urus. I like these. Super nice. all you can eat. So we're here with everybody, and then we got Kevin on the other side. Kevin, William, and then with Worker. We're filling up gas right now in the Urus because we're gonna return it. How much do you guys think it's gonna be? It's almost stopping. This is bad. I'm over the miles as well by a lot. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to SSR for the rental on the Urus. And yeah, anytime you guys want to rent this car or anything like that, make sure to go check them out. Let them know I sent you guys, and that'll be perfect. So you guys can get it, get a Urus, get a Huracan. They also have a Ferrari for $1,000. Maybe I'll do that one day just to do it. But I think we have to get a Urus. I know I've been saying that, but we gotta do a Urus. This is not stopping. Oh, look what it stopped at. $80 to fill up a Urus. A little carbon thing. So clean. The Lamborghini Urus. I could imagine starting my videos like this and talking about my Lamborghini Urus, or showing you guys my new Lamborghini Urus. That might be so soon, or we never know, but we had to do this. Super beautiful color, amazing. It was a super cool birthday. I want to thank everybody for coming through and showing me a good time, and you know, it was really good. My birthday was on Wednesday, but we did the celebration and all this today with all the car guys, so super excited about that. But Urus is gonna go home, and I'm sad about that, but we'll get a Urus one day, hopefully soon, and that'll be super cool. But anyways, it's been Dan, and I'm out. Peace.